Hello, my name is Alexis. I'm 26. I'm a full-time reseller on ThredUP, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, and now Poshmark. I just became a Poshmark ambassador. So that's going pretty well for me. I usually say what I'm wearing. This is a second-hand shirt from Massimo. I wouldn't normally buy it, but it's just like the perfect black turtleneck. My hair is back today, so we won't play with her. Nails. These are the Kiss press-ons, and I'm missing one, but we'll just pretend that she's there still. But these have been on for a few days and they last pretty well. And then these earrings are from a local girl that makes clay earrings. She does so well. Remember to shop small business as much as you can. I know that Black Friday is coming, but supporting a small business supports families, friends, and people get really happy when you buy from their small business. So it's just benefits, just way more benefits. Anyway, I have my coffee here. This mug I bought secondhand. It is from Target. I think I bought this for 50 cents. Anyway, the point of this video is I bought several Funboxes, not even thinking, oh, it's about to be Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna do these unboxings, but I'm not gonna unbox them all in one video. I'm gonna spread them out. So if you see me wearing the same outfit, so sorry. This batch is from Arizona. I live in Pennsylvania. I've never gotten a Funbox from Arizona, and I got 5 from Arizona. I think I'm supposed to have a 6th one, but these boxes were outside for a long time yesterday. My FedEx driver, I know my FedEx driver, but my boxes normally aren't delivered on Sunday and a different person delivers on Sunday. And then that person, whoever delivers on Sunday, like leaves my boxes beside my porch instead of on my porch. So it's a little confusing and concerning, especially for city. Luckily, these boxes were untouched, and I think maybe one is just still on the way or is lost. We'll see. So these are from Arizona, and then I have more coming from Georgia, which hopefully will all be here before I leave to see my family for Thanksgiving, and I'll probably end up bringing some of those boxes with me to film at my parents' house. Anyway, let's get into the boxes. There is a loud car outside of my house, but I'm talking pretty loud, so I don't think it's gonna pick up on the video. Okay, first thing we have, I don't know what this is, but it's in a bag. It looks like a fabric necklace. That looks pretty cool. See, it kind of goes with my outfit today, actually. Okay. It has like tweed on it. This is actually a look. Goodness. Okay, this is rouge nose. I don't know if that goes with that. That's what that is. Right, we have some nice Spirit Halloween thigh highs. One size fits most. Well, sister, I'm 5'11". It says one size fits 4'11" to 5'11", 110 to 190. I'm not sure if that's most people, but okay. Spirit Halloween, $8.99. Classic, we got some Exhilaration Sloth Socks. I'm actually kind of glad that I ordered all these boxes because you know what? Christmas is creeping up. It is 1 month away. Can you believe that? I can't. Also, I love getting socks in here because I just always lose my socks. I just lose them all the time. Okay, these are in another language. I believe this is, no, I'm not even gonna guess. Okay, so actually, no, I'm not gonna guess. Well, These are some purple socks. And these are the Sloth Socks. Ooh, this is beautiful. Okay, this is like a gold clip, but it feels really heavy duty actually. Ooh, this is nice. My hair is getting longer and it's so thick. Believe it or not, 3 years ago, I shaved my head, and the longest I've ever had my hair has been past my elbow, but I just have always had thick, naturally wavy, like my natural hair is so wavy. It's like 4 people's average heads of hair. So I don't know, I might keep this for myself, but sometimes even clips like this can be so small for my hair because I just try to be stylish and this grabs like 1% of my hair. Okay, we have another one. Ooh. Okay, this one's even cuter. This is like a rope design, golds. Wow, these are cute. Okay, I really might keep these. If not, I can always put them in a stocking. I have women in my family that might want them. Okay, we have a scarf. This looks like the tag was cut out. Also a look. Wow, they are just giving. I was gonna say it's like a black and white themed box, but it's not. Okay, because this clearly isn't that. Okay, we have, this is Les Petites. I don't know what that is. It's in French. I can look this up. It looks like this is broken here, like it's supposed to have a clasp that comes down and something is supposed to snap into here. It smells like real leather. I'm imagining that this is a designer brand I'm just unfamiliar with. If you know anything about this, help a girl out. This is the brand right here. It's in great condition, I guess, other than this part right here. It has like a spring, so you can tell that it's supposed to close, but like it looks pretty nice. Maybe someone will want this. I don't know. Okay. Understands. Listen, it just grinds my gears when I get better sleepwear in this box than the $40 sleepwear box. You know how much this cost me? Probably average like $3. Okay, so ThredUP, stop playing with us. Continuing. 32C understands new with tags. This is a nice bra. This is like a fancy t-shirt bra. It's very soft. Okay, all right. This came in here, fell out. These are some sunglasses. Okay, they're a little wobbly. Maybe that's just my face though. AJ Morgan, not familiar. They are broken right here. They have like a tortoise shell to them, a few minor scratches on the lenses. Again, not really familiar with that. Okay, apartment 9 over the knee sock. And it's like scrunched right here. These are some long socks. You know what? I used to have some thigh-high boots. Oh, these are $10 from Kohl's. I used to have some thigh-high boots, and like I said, I'm tall, but listen, I just have really skinny legs, and I'm really angry that my thigh-high boots do not stay thigh-high. They always scrunch down. So maybe a sock like this would have helped me, but I already sold those boots that I had. Box actually does have a ton of stuff. Okay, this little sparkly bag, cute. What brand is this? Has like a little gem bow on it. And we got the crossbody. Made in China, and that is it. It looks like a good oh, maybe not. Hello? Do you close? What's going on? I'm really confused. Oh, there we go. Okay, cute. Listen, this is a look. This is definitely like some type of theme box, like a glamour box or something, because other than those Sloth Socks, I already saw the name on it. New with tags, Rebecca Minkoff. What is this? It's like connected together right here. Studded guitar strap. Wow, I didn't even know she made guitar straps, but this looks pretty cool. Honestly, you could probably clip this on a bag, like it's like this. Is it actually made for a guitar, or is it made like to be a guitar strap that you wear on a purse? Because I think that's a thing too. Let me know if that's a thing, or am I making that up? But you could definitely rock this on a purse. This is cute. Wow. Yep. Retails for $95. I'd say that's a really good box. Let me count what I got. Oh, this box was $36. I'm pretty sure that... No. I paid $40 total. I think I used to pay like $34 total for the fun boxes. Maybe because they're coming from Arizona and Georgia now. Maybe that's the case, but before, I promise you they were cheaper. So maybe they did go up. I mean, honestly, they're giving us some really good things in these boxes. Yeah, so let's count. Okay, so I got 12 things. I'd say 12 things for $40, and I know at least one of those is designer, new with tags. I'm not sure what comps are for those. No, wait, maybe I got 13. I don't know. I lost count. Y'all know what I mean. The little things are hard to count. I don't know what brand this is actually, but this is pretty cute, honestly. Pretty cute. Okay, well, that's a wrap on that box. Thanks for watching. My Instagram is _MGMarket. I post things that I'm selling. I post TikToks there. I post reseller tips. If you want to follow me there, you can. And you can subscribe, like this video, comment what you think about this box. All of that is free to do. My Poshmark is at Alexis Schrock 80. That's my name. My TikTok, my everything will be down in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving if you're watching this before Thanksgiving. Goodbye.